Back at it, baby. Here we go. Now, like I was saying, you could go from the deck to the crossover, or the line driver, I'm sorry. The line driver in, which is right here, and to the line driver out, which is going to the crossover in. You say in to the out, and then your out is going to the back of your amp. See, so when you turn this up, this activates all the lines. I put it up here just to show you guys. It's usually back there on the board, but I put it up here. Yeah, a little demo of this.
Hey, Mr. Governor. Fix my. When we put in the work.
That's some of his boots.
Wrong role model.
Wrong role model. See my sub down? If I was to turn this up,
I got infected. Yeah. Life in the hairstyle, bandanas and gold.
you shouldn't have to touch that one.
Man, guess I grew up in the fast lane. With the
You got a bass remote.
Run the shop, curing down. Salute on top to the big dog who run the block. From Monday to Sunday, him and his honors, they run the shop. Michael Jordan, Calvin was gone. Crazy, worship the one who hurt family, said hard. Larry Hoover, Ray for me, Pablo, Rick Ross, but not the rapper Rick. I wanted to be like the big dog in the hood who gave the church his house. Should've went that way, but I went the other route. From grandma house, where you come from, grandma house. Trying to be our role models, ain't it from my grandma house? And my role model, yeah, stuck in prison. Guess when you get too much, they coming and get you. I think role model. Me and you. So I just might be the wrong role model. For you and you, true. It's safe to say I'm wrong role model.